This video covers the program settings for the Centerline dishwasher. Please refer to the program settings in your owner's manual if you have any questions. Once you've entered the menu function, you will use the Start button to advance through program settings 00 through 08. In this function, the menu button is used to increase set points, and the D-line button is used to decrease set points. To cancel out of the menu function at any time, simply open and close the door. Let's begin. To access the menu, first make sure that the LED light under the green arrow's Start button is solid. Press the menu button. 00 is the extended wash setting. The length of the extended wash setting can be changed between 3 to 6 minutes in length. The factory preset for extended wash is 4 minutes. To change the set point, press Increase or Decrease. To exit the menu, open the door of the machine. 01 is the wash cycle count. The cycle count has 6 digits, but only 3 are visible at a time. Press the menu button to see the first 3 digits. Press menu a second time to see the next 3 digits. This machine has only run 10 cycles. 02 determines detergent dispensing levels. Press the menu button to increase the concentration. Press the D-line button to decrease concentration. Press the Start button to move on to the next setting. 03 is used to prime the detergent pump. Press the menu button to initiate the priming sequence. You will see a number 1 appear on the display. Press the D-line button to prime the chemical pump for 60 seconds. The blinking LED will indicate that the chemical pump is running. Repeat as needed to prime the line. Press the green button to advance. 04 controls rinse aid dispensing. Press D-line to decrease rinse aid concentration, or menu to increase. 05 is rinse aid priming. Press the menu button to initiate the priming sequence. You will see a number 1 appear on the display. Press the D-line button to prime the rinse aid pump for 120 seconds. The blinking LED will indicate that the rinse aid pump is running. Repeat as needed to prime the line. 08 is used to change the temperature between Celsius and Fahrenheit using the increase and decrease buttons. 06 and 07 are used on the low temperature model. Press the green button to advance to 06. 06 controls sanitizer dispensing. Press menu to increase sanitizer concentration or D-line to decrease. 07 is used to prime the sanitizer pump. Press the menu button to initiate the priming sequence. You will see a number 1 appear on the display. Press the D-line button to prime the sanitizer pump for 130 seconds. The blinking LED will indicate that the sanitizer pump is running. Repeat as needed to prime the line. Open the door to exit menu. To check for proper sanitizer concentration, run a wash cycle. Use approved sanitizer test strips, being sure to match the strip to the indicator on the bottle. Use setting 6 to adjust concentration, and repeat until proper concentration is reached. If you have any questions, please consult your manual or Hobart service.